All right. All right. This is the box. This is the box. This is the box. This is the box. Oh, man. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. Now, if you've been tapped in with my Instagram, or even, I think I even said something on this channel, but I hit on the Off-White 50. I've been waiting to unbox this. I got like 3 pairs of shoes here, right? They all came in at the same time, so I had to open up one of the boxes to see if it was the 50. And this is the shoe box. All right, so I haven't looked at the shoe. I don't know what lot number it is. I've been patiently waiting. I didn't go online. I didn't try to do anything to figure out what lot number this was or color code or anything like that. Yeah, man, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Like, when it comes to exclusive access, I don't know why I got it. I did watch every single video. I did everything they said to do, and it worked out. So, yeah, I mean, I'm ready to get into it, man. But I've been having good luck. I hit on the Lightnings, and I hit on the Pollens, which you can see up there. Got the Pollens up there, and then I hit on the Pollen Lows. So, my account's been jigging. You know what I mean? Anyways, we're going to get into this box. So, look. FedEx didn't run off on the plug twice. Look, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's in there. Alright, we're gonna open it up, man. So you got your Off-White box. On the front of it, it just says Team Nike Sportswear, WHQ, Beaverton, Oregon. Style number DJ0950/DM1602. Season Fall 21. TC code N2. And when you look at the lot number, it says I got lot number 8. Lot number 8. Let me show you the other side real quick. Size 10. You can see the tag, man. You see the tag. Yeah, so it says I got lot number 8. I don't know what lot number 8 is. Off the top of my head, I don't know what lot number 8 is, so you got your box. Got the little plastic. Yeah, dude. I'm super excited, man. I'm super super excited. All right. So I still haven't seen it. I don't know what colorway. Let's do it like this. Oh, okay. So, I'll keep it a buck. I was hoping to get like a suede pair. But I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. Lot 8. Looks like we got like a burgundy tongue. Super soft leather. You got canvas on the... This is canvas. This is canvas right here. You got like a burgundy off-white little... You could barely see what it says on the little tag, but it's clean. I like it. I like it. You got the lime green or volt green fly wire, or whatever you call this, like the bungee cord. This is clean. This is super clean. Look at the side right there. It says 8 of 50. But like I said, I kind of wanted to get a suede pair. I don't know how much these are going for. These are clean though. This is my first pair of Dunks. If you've been watching me, then you know I've never hit on a pair of Dunks. So the first pair of Dunks I ever hit on is these off-white joints. It's pretty dope. It says off-white right here on the side and like a metallic silver. Both sides. And then also on the shoe, it has that same FA21 fall, whatever. So lot 8, man. These are gonna stay in the collection. Unless somebody wants to like trade me for a suede pair. If somebody that really likes these is a size 10 and got like a suede pair, holla at me, man. You know, you never know. We could do some business. But as far as that goes, these are gonna stay in the collection. I don't, like I said, this is my only Dunk. And these are clean. They're super duper clean. So I got some other videos I'm about to be dropping within the next couple days. Like I said, I hit on the Lightning 4s and I hit on the Pollen Low 1s. So we're gonna be dropping those. But you guys get in the comments below. Tell me what you think about these. Are these trash? What you think? Are they clean? I'm rocking with them. It's definitely different. I have nothing like this in my collection. I have nothing like this in my collection at all. So, super excited to go ahead and have this be my first Dunk. You know what I mean? Just trying to get some close-ups. And get that good visual. Yeah, lock in with me, you guys. Comment below. Tell me what you think about this shoe. If you hit on this shoe, what lot number did you hit? And what do you think about that shoe? What size did you get? What lot number? Get in the comments below. If you look at the insole of this shoe, it's kind of dope. I don't know if you can see that, but it has the off-white kind of like face. Yeah, man, these are clean, man. Thank you for watching my video, man. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I've already tapped in with you guys. Make sure you stay tapped in with me by hitting the like button, the subscribe button, and that notification bell. Like I said, I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.